Brand new numbers in the News 13 show an apparent slowdown in drug-related deaths in Horry County. In 2016, the coroner's office says that number spiked to 143.
Last year, 94 deaths were attributed to drug overdoses, and that number might rise a little bit as more cases are completed. But a new idea in our community could help keep 2018's numbers down. News 13's Megan Miller found out about a program that's reaching people with substance use issues at rock bottom.
You feel that it's a problem in your life.
3 years ago, Whitney Roberts' drug of choice was marijuana, and she could not function without it.
I was spiritually and emotionally dead inside.
Now she's helping fight Horry County's drug problem as a new recovery coach for Faces and Voices of Recovery.
Our place is to help them figure out what they want out of life and what goals they want to achieve.
Favor gave me an exclusive look at training for the new program. It's putting coaches like Roberts in our local emergency rooms to offer users help at their very lowest point. All are in recovery themselves or a family member of someone with substance abuse issues.
The approach we've always traditionally had just hasn't been that effective. By having recovery coaches in the emergency department, they can make that initial contact and form a bond with a person who is struggling with a substance use disorder.
Dr. Victor Archambault is in recovery himself, and he says the been there, done that approach works.
They're more successful. We have several people now that have entered recovery as a result of this program.
When users do, coaches like Roberts then offer a grassroots approach to recovery, like connections with sober services, medication-assisted treatment, family support meetings, promoting a healthy lifestyle, and even job help.
They help restore families, people get back to work, people resume their educations, people start to follow their dreams again.
Roberts even thinks her new role could actually help her recovery and prevent going back to that dark place.
My drug of choice didn't take me places that it takes a lot of people. But I can't say if I hadn't stopped that it wouldn't have. It may have took me down different paths to harder drugs.
Shoreline Behavioral Health Services employs these recovery coaches, and right now Tidelands Health says that program is in place at Waccamaw Hospital. It doesn't just target opioid use either, but other drugs and substances too. To learn much more, look for my story online right now at WBTW.com. Reporting tonight for News 13, I'm Megan Miller.
Florence County deputies continue to search for the man who shot a